Okay, today I think we're going to draw a bear. This should be very, very simple. We're going to be going with a big circle right here, very lightly with your pencil. We're going to draw another circle right there in the middle, a little bit down lower. A couple of more circles right like this. And of course, bear's got to have some ears. There we go. We've got the basic shape in. Let's get that nose. And of course, we got to do another little line down like this. And let's get that mouth going. Give him a nice big smile. There you go. You've got the pencil part done. He's roughed in. Let's take our pen and let's fill him in. Okay, and then we're just going to do the outline of these ears. There you go. Going to fill in the inner part of the ear like this. Leave a little room for a little hair there. There we go. We're going to fill out the rest of the face here. There we go. And with the eyes, we're going to do the half moon again. We're just going to do half around the eye like that. And then just fill in the eyeball there, leaving a little bit of white in the middle. There we go. We'll do this little area around the nose and mouth. Bingo, that's good. Let's get that nose down. Fill the nose in. And leave that little square in the middle there for some reflected light. There you go. We're going to bring this little line down here. We've got him smiling again. A little lip under here. And we'll just do some little lines up over the eyes like that. And bingo! You got yourself a bear. He's all done. Just got to erase the pencil lines and you're ready. You have a great day and we'll see you on the next one.